In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove page border in Microsoft Word. If you've ever opened a document and noticed a decorative frame or a solid line wrapped around the entire page, that's a page border. It can be great for flyers or certificates, but for most documents, you'll want a clean, uncluttered look. Removing it is quick and straightforward. And I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get back to writing with a crisp, professional page. Begin by opening your document in Microsoft Word. At the top of the window, you'll see the ribbon, which is the strip of tabs and tools that runs across the screen. Look for the Design tab. If your Word window is narrow, you may need to maximize it so all tabs are visible. Click Design to reveal all the formatting options that affect the overall appearance of your document. With the Design tab open, focus on the right-hand side where you'll find the Page Background group. Here, select Page Borders. This opens the Borders and Shading dialog, which is where Word controls both paragraph borders and full-page borders. You should land directly on the Page Border tab, and you'll see a live preview on the right that shows how your page currently looks. To remove the border, choose the None option in the Settings area. As soon as you click None, the preview on the right should update to show a blank page outline with no frame or lines around it. This simply turns off the page border. It doesn't affect your text or your document's margins. Once you've selected None and you're happy with the preview, click OK to confirm. You'll be returned to your document, and the page border will be gone. Scroll through a few pages to confirm everything looks consistent, especially if your document has multiple pages. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you still see lines around only parts of your text, that's likely a paragraph or table border, which is different from a page border. The change you just made removes the frame around the entire page, not borders applied to specific paragraphs or tables. Also, some documents use shapes or images to create a decorative frame. Those aren't page borders, so they won't be affected here. If you suspect that, look near the edges for a clickable object. That's all there is to it. You've removed the page border and restored a clean, professional layout in just a few clicks.